If you want to see if you got splotching in your render using interpolated, you can just render one image first, and then without a change you render a second image. The rays never fire from or at the same place. Even so, if you render frame 0 first, you will have a set of rays firing in different places compared to if you render it the second time. So in that way it's kind of a good thing because you can see the change. So if I toggle using the up and down button, so just hit up and down on the page up and page down. Yeah, so interpolated, it's tricky. Could you fix this in post? Perhaps. I haven't tried that yet, rendering an animation and trying to use some filters to fix that in post. It could work, kind of. It really depends on how fast your camera is panning or whatever. What I especially notice here is this guy right here. That's one thing that a filter wouldn't really fix. That's rare that you get that kind of error or that kind of effect. What would I do to get rid of that? I mean, you could lower the minimum pixel spacing, I guess. That would probably fix it. But then again, you'd get higher render times. Another thing that I've shown in an earlier video is actually to bake out this stuff right here. So you actually bake the white walls, and then you just say don't receive radiosity, and you'll get no splotching. Simple. There's also an additional trick, because if you have a character moving, then it's not going to cast shadows on the wall, but you could add shadow casters actually to fix that. But the character will not illuminate the room, of course, if these walls are baked. So if there's a guy coming in or a character coming in a bright white suit, then, well, too bad. If he walks in a dark suit, then cool. But those are kind of like hacks. So anyway, just wanted to talk a bit about rendering interiors in LightWave 11 and 2015 for animation. I haven't tried 2020 all that much, but from my test it was great. I don't know about the render times. They seemed pretty good, pretty nice. So I think if you want to go for something like this, maybe you should check out LightWave 2020. It might be better. Third alternative, of course, is using a different render engine, Keyray Octane, or another application with a different render engine. But yeah, for 11 and 2015, it's basically impossible to get rid of the splotching and have decent render times.